Yo!
Welcome back to another video. I'm Justin.
I'm Steve.
And we're gonna have a barbecue.
We're gonna have ourselves.
Okay, spray some. Very loud.
Alright, so we're gonna crack open a cold Arizona.
We got some of the cheapest steaks at the food store. So yeah, we're gonna prep these up.
Oh yeah. Taste of the South in my mouth. Alright. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna get some of the Montreal. We did not wash our hands.
Not do that.
Alright?
Let's not put them on the plate.
That is vital.
Yeah.
Do not wash your hands.
I'm just gonna put it on here like this.
Okay. We're gonna put it on there just like this. Did you shake it first?
Yeah, I did.
You gotta shake that.
I did.
Alright.
Applying the Montreal
Montreal
seasonings.
Seasonings.
All seasoned up. This is what we got going right
What we
here.
got going on right here.
Alright, so yeah.
I'm going to get the angle shot.
Yep. That's what we got going. That's what we got going on.
Alright, so this is a little thing we started doing back, I'd say probably 1996.
About
That
4 weeks ago.
4 weeks ago. And
We're gonna, while we wait for our steaks to cook, we'll demonstrate.
And we'll demonstrate. And
It's a little maneuver.
Obviously, you click this video to watch us do this.
It's a little maneuver.
Maneuver. That's our maneuver.
That's the maneuver we learned.
That's it.
Alright. Do the old flip.
Oh, they're burnt.
No, they're cooking.
No, they're just burning. But it's okay. We're still gonna eat them.
It's okay.
We don't care because we're men. Just keep going. Just keep fucking going. Here, I'll push you.
Go.
I can be. Yeah. Look at that. We're also using really shitty knives. You don't have steak knives in my room made out of wood.
Really? Why did you get them?
I forgot. Alright, and dispatch it.
Okay, ready?
And toss.
First bite. 1, 2, 3, go.
This is not good.
It's tough. Chewy.
I can't.
Tastes good.
I can't like this at all.
You can't?
There's a thing called being. If I could chew it, it would taste good. So honestly, I'm gonna give that a 1 out of 5 stars rating for ourselves. Yep, because at the dining facility, at least we can chew our food. All right. Yeah, it's really tough.
Might be a reason why all these forks cost like $4.
That might be. I may not have said that they're shitty steaks.
It's $1 probably.
I may or may not have said that they're shitty steaks in the door. I cannot quite remember, even though I'm pretty 100% positive that I did say that. I'm not sure.
This one's more tender.
Should have brought steak with us.
Probably should have cooked it a little bit. You know, I'm gonna put this one back on.
Nah, no. Oh, they're covered in sand now. I'm not eating this. I'm not eating this.
No, not funny.
I'm not eating this. No, they're just burning. But it's okay. We're still gonna eat them. All right.
All right.
So back to the video.
all of our.
You were still here for because it was still recording that whole
There was
time.
a huge sandstorm.
There was a huge sandstorm and everything just got covered in sand. We're not gonna eat them. You wanna go? I'll try. Oh, I forgot. Wait, hold on. I need something. Hold on.
Don't chug it though. I got sand in my mouth.
No,
It's a little tradition we do.
it's a tradition, and then we eat it after. But these steaks are just gross. So, yeah.
Well, already. Let's wrap this video
All right,
up.
we're gonna wrap this up.
Yo! Thank you guys so much for watching the video.
If you like the video, smash that like button and hit subscribe.
Fuck.